in Hampshire from one of our Weather Watchers pictures. Also some mistiness across parts of Worcestershire, and really we're looking at it anywhere across Worcestershire, Gloucestershire, the Midlands, Lincolnshire as well, and Shropshire, but it's not everywhere. So if you're driving, bear that in mind. It will lift though fairly rapidly. Now today it's going to be windy and wet in Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunshine and showers and breezy across most of England and Wales. Low pressure is driving our weather with these weather fronts coming across our shores, the squeeze in the isobars in the north indicating that it is going to be windy here. Gusts of wind as much as 45 to 50 miles an hour, especially with exposure. So rain moving out of Northern Ireland and across Scotland. Later we'll see some showers again across Northern Ireland, and then later again some more rain. But for England and for Wales, it's largely dry. Fair bit of cloud around, some sunny spells developing. A few showers in the west. Later we could see one or two pop up in the Midlands. Temperatures today 14 in the north to 24 in the south. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, we still will have some showers. There'll be some clear skies as well. Then the rain pushes in once again across Northern Ireland and also across Western Scotland, where it will turn heavier and more persistent by the end of the night. Not as cool a night as the one just gone. We're looking at double figures more or less across the board. So as we head from Friday into Saturday, look at this weather front. It really dangles all the way back into the Atlantic, and it's going to be with us right the way through the weekend, especially in the north and the west. So tomorrow, more rain to come across Northern Ireland and Scotland. In fact, the Met Office has a yellow weather warning out for heavy rain across Dumfries and Galloway. We could have as much as 100 millimetres, 4 inches across the hills, but still a lot at lower levels as well. And you can see where we're looking at that rain. Now, we'll get into northwest England, possibly northwest Wales by the end of the afternoon. So the farther south and east that you travel, the drier and sunnier it will be, with highs of 25. Still breezy in the south, still windy in the north. As we head on into the weekend, the forecast is unsettled. We still have that weather front, and it is going to turn cooler. Naga, it's pretty cool where you are this morning.
It really is, Carol. I think I misjudged it this morning, but I think the sun is coming through, and you saw with Charlie's interview with Jacob Rees-Mogg that the sun is coming through on the balcony as well, so I think it's going to warm up here. We are going to leave events at Westminster for our next story for a while. Talking about a gentleman called Freddie Pring, who was just 20 years old when he died in June after falling from a balcony at the hotel he was staying in whilst on a work trip to Magaluf. His mum, Heather, has travelled back to the island to warn other young people about the dangers. Sarah Corker has more.
Freddie's smile could light up any